This is my gardenia plant. I've been growing it now for about 3 to 4 months maybe, and the leaves are beginning to turn, I don't know, non-green, like it's losing the greenness in the leaves. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I've been trying my best, and this is my first time trying to grow a gardenia plant. So I did a little bit of research, and I was told that it could be from overwatering or underwatering the plant. And I know that gardenias love the soil dry. I try not to overwater it. In fact, I don't water it at all. The only thing that happened a couple of months back was I left it outside and it rained heavily at one point, and it rained on in the pot here, and I forgot to drain the soil. I actually just drained it this morning, and a lot of water came out at the bottom of the pot where it catches all the liquid down here. I drained that, and I don't know if that's going to help. I'm just going to wait and see if that helps. I also bought this on Amazon, and I've been following the instructions on how to like feed the plant, and I'm praying and hoping that this plant, starts to develop greener looking leaves rather than pale looking leaves. This one here looks a little bit better though. This one, it looks like it's improving a little bit. But the new leaves that are growing are definitely very pale, and that is concerning for me. So I don't know. We'll see. If anybody has any tips on what I need to do to help my gardenia grow greener leaves, I am all ears. I also have some night blooming jasmines here. These are very easy to grow. I water it just once a week, and it's been growing quite well. I do have other plants out there that I'm growing, and they are doing pretty okay. Anyway, my main concern here is with my gardenia plants right now.